In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable VBA in PowerPoint. Now, for those who may not be familiar, VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. It's a programming language provided by Microsoft that you can use to create macros and automate tasks within PowerPoint, as well as other Microsoft Office applications. This can be incredibly useful for a variety of purposes, from automating repetitive tasks to creating customized solutions in your presentations. So, whether you're a seasoned programmer or just getting started, enabling VBA in PowerPoint is your first step towards harnessing the full potential of your presentations. First things first, let's open up Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do this by clicking on its icon on your desktop or by searching for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar. Once you've launched PowerPoint, you'll likely find yourself on the opening screen. This is where you can create a new presentation or open an existing file. Go ahead and open the file you'll be working on, or simply open a new presentation to follow along with this tutorial. Once your presentation is open, we'll need to access the PowerPoint options to enable VBA. Head over to the File tab located at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on this will take you to the Backstage view, where you'll see a variety of options for managing your presentation. From this menu, find and click on Options towards the bottom. This will open the PowerPoint Options dialog, which is where we can adjust all sorts of settings to customize our PowerPoint experience. Now we're getting to the crucial part. In the PowerPoint Options dialog, you'll notice there are several categories listed on the left side. We're interested in the Customize Ribbon category. This is because by default the Developer tab, which contains the controls for VBA, is not displayed in the ribbon. Click on Customize Ribbon to proceed. Upon clicking, you'll see two columns, one labelled Main Tabs on the right and Customize the Ribbon on the left. What we're looking for is the Developer checkbox in the right column. It might take a bit of scrolling to find, but once you do, make sure to check this box. What you're doing by selecting this is making the Developer tab visible in your PowerPoint ribbon, which is your gateway to all things VBA. After checking the Developer option, go ahead and click OK. This saves your settings and closes the PowerPoint Options dialog. You'll now be taken back to your presentation, but with one crucial difference. You'll notice the Developer tab has been added to the ribbon at the top of PowerPoint. This is exactly where we want to be. Next, navigate to this newly revealed Developer tab. Here you'll find a variety of tools at your disposal for creating macros, add-ins, and even custom forms within your presentation. However, our focus for today is on the Visual Basic for Applications environment, or VBE for short. To access this, simply click on the Visual Basic button, which is usually represented by an icon of a green triangle over a sheet of paper. This will launch the VBE, a separate window where all the magic of coding in PowerPoint happens. And just like that, you've successfully enabled VBA within PowerPoint and accessed the VBE. From here, the possibilities are near endless. You can start creating your own macros to automate tasks, develop user-defined functions, or even create complex interactive presentations. While diving into VBA programming may seem daunting at first, remember that there are countless resources available online to help guide you through your learning journey. Experimentation is key, and with the steps we've covered today, you're well on your way to becoming proficient in utilizing VBA to enhance your PowerPoint presentations. Before we conclude, I'll leave you with a few tips. Always remember to save your work frequently, especially before running macros, as this can prevent loss of data in case of errors. Furthermore, familiarize yourself with the VBA editor and its features such as the immediate window for debugging and the object browser to explore the objects, properties and methods available to you in PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to enable VBA in PowerPoint. I hope this has been informative and has sparked your interest in exploring the powerful capabilities VBA offers to PowerPoint users. Don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher, and feel free to explore further into the world of PowerPoint VBA programming. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.